Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please stay tuned for more amazing content. So guys, this is a skincare video. If you're starting skincare on a budget, this is the right video for you, because I'm going to be showing you products that are cheap at the same time effective for your cost, that you can buy, that's going to give you a desirable result. So guys, skincare, what's the first thing we do when we wake up in the morning? You wash off your face, and I've done that already using my Dr. Teal body wash. I just applied some on my face and I washed up my face. Now, the second thing I'm going to be doing as my own skincare routine is I'm going to be using cleanser on my face. And I have my cotton wool here, and I have my simple micellar water. This micellar water is 2,500 naira. People starting skincare on a budget, this is what you need. So guys, let's do this. This is cotton wool. You apply a little micellar water and you wipe your face. Exacto. You wipe your face. I don't know, I think it's crazy how sometimes people don't want to take care of their skin and people don't want to look good. If you're a guy, you're a girl, skincare is for you. Guys, don't think you're not supposed to do skincare. You're supposed to do skincare because you want your skin to pop, you want to look good, you want to impress her. Exactly, skincare. So guys, this is the first cleansing. I'm going to be doing double cleansing. It's very, very, very important. What I mean very, very important, because there will still be dirt on my face. Let me just show you. Okay. Yeah. I added a little too much. So my cotton wool, but no problem. So you have to clean your neck region too, because whatever goes to your face goes to your neck. They go hand in hand. If your face is so fair, your neck is dark. That's absurd. So guys, second cleansing, you can see how dirty it is, right? Like so dirty. This is how it comes out. Now we have to wait for our face to get dried. A bit. Micellar. Simple micellar cleansing water. So now the next step is our face serum. I use Dr. Rachel Vitamin C face serum. After this gets dried, we're going to be applying our face serum. This is very, very important too, to bring out your face and make it pop. I just want this to get dried. I try as much as possible not to let what is inside that I used to put the serum on my face touch my face, because of I don't want bacteria to go back into my serum, in order to allow effective use. I don't let it touch my face. So guys, I just applied my serum and I'm going to leave it for about a minute to get dried before we go to the next step. Please take your time to do this. And if you're not invested in skincare, this is just the right video for you to get invested in skincare, to make your body look good, because your body is what you present to people, and the way people see you is how they perceive you, is how they judge you. So we're gonna let this get dried for a minute. Well, the next we have on our list is our moisturizer. After serum, you moisturize your face, and I'm using Cetaphil moisturizer. Okay guys, I didn't tell you guys the amount of the Dr. Rashio vitamin C serum. It is 2,000 naira, and this is our moisturizer. This should be about 3,500 or so, or 4,000 naira. So you have to moisturize your face to make your face look good, to make your face look shiny, and to you see the results now and you'll be able to judge for yourself. So you apply a little bit of moisturizer on your palm, just a little bit. I think this is a bit too much. And you rub together, and apply on your face and your neck, every region of your body. Because see, you want to moisturize well so your products get into your skin. My face. This is how a well moisturized face looks. Okay guys, we are good on the moisturizing part. So we just let this get into the skin for about a minute before we move on to the next step. I want to tell you the next step to do. Use your sunscreen. Very, very important. Don't leave your house without your sunscreen. That's why you see most people, they will be fair, they will have black spots here. You see dark people, they will have black spots here. They don't even protect their skin when they are when they're in like direct contact with the sunlight, which is very, very bad. So for beginners on a budget, you need your sunscreen, and you can use this. This name is in Arabic. I can't even like read it out. It's so weird. So just take like a good look. It's 60 SPF. You can use this, or you can get Skin Doctor, or you can get Givea. But I must tell you, this leave like white patches on my face and makes me sweat. But we have different kind of skin. It might not make you sweat. It might make me sweat. It might leave white patches on you. It might not leave white patches on me. So you have to try to know which is best. But for beginners, I'd recommend this. So for your sunscreen, I'm going to be applying it in the dots method. I don't want too much because I'm not really going out today. This is just for my video. All right. All right, guys. Now we have just one job left, and I'm sure you know what that job is. Massage your skincare, your sunscreen into your skin. All right, so the leave white patches on me. It's going to get down. Massage well so it gets into your skin and it covers the layer of the top layer of your face. So I told you guys it's going to blend in. So guys, this is the final result of my early morning skincare routine. Of course, I've not applied certain things to my face, like my gloss, taking care of my hair and all that. I'll do that behind the video, behind the camera. And this is the final result of using our serum, moisturizer, sunscreen, face wash, face cleanser. And yes, you're good to go. So guys, thank you for watching my video. Stay tuned for more amazing content, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Stay with me to help me grow. Bye. See you in my next video. Talk to my TT about my problem. Learn to survive. I carry my